What's going on? This is Will with Priority Exterior Cleaning. We're out here today getting this home cleaned up for this homeowner. I just wanted to demonstrate to y'all our soft wash method. Soft washing versus pressure washing is a huge difference. A lot of people pressure wash homes, and that's very bad for them. They use high damage and pressure removing paint as well as the mildew and algae. But with our soft washing method, what we use is a proprietary blend of a solution that we found works best. We apply the solution at 60 psi evenly, and it clings to the surface, penetrating deep into it to remove the mildew and algae. That's then followed up with a low pressure rinse. So I'm going to give y'all a demonstration here of how our process works. To find out more about us, visit www.priorityexteriorcleaning.com, or you can give us a call. Our number is 601-966-0731. Let me show y'all how this works. Coat it. Oh. You can see it slowly disappearing. As you can see, no pressure was used in this cleaning. And just like that, it looks brand new. Now I will show y'all how we rinse it. We're out here in Brandon on this beautiful golf course. No pressure, easy rinse, no damage. Call us today, 601-966-0731. Thank you.